In today's video, I am going to teach you how to reschedule meeting in Outlook. Let's start by moving into the calendar view inside Outlook. This is where all of your scheduled items live and where you'll have the clearest picture of what's already on your agenda. You can get there by selecting the calendar icon in Outlook. If you work across devices, don't worry, the calendar view is consistent, whether you are on a desktop app or using Outlook on the web, and the process we'll follow is essentially the same. Next, locate the meeting you want to change and double-click it to open the full meeting window. You'll see the details just like when you first set it up. If you don't see options to edit, you might not be the organizer. Only the meeting organizer can reschedule a meeting. Attendees typically can't change the time for everyone. If you are prompted about a series, that simply means you are dealing with a recurring meeting. Choose whether you want to adjust just this one occurrence or the entire series. Based on your intent, with the meeting open, update the date, the start time, and the end time to the new schedule that works for you and your attendees. Keep an eye on time zones if your team is spread out, and confirm the duration still makes sense after the change. In the body of the meeting invite, add a brief note explaining what changed and why, something like rescheduled. Due to a conflict, new time is more convenient for the team. This small courtesy reduces confusion and helps attendees understand the context at a glance. While you are here, scan the rest of the details, such as the location or meeting link, to make sure nothing else needs to be adjusted when the time moves. When you are ready, click Send Update. This action notifies all attendees and ensures their calendars reflect the new date and time. Outlook will replace the old time on their calendars with the updated one, and your attendees will receive a clear update letting them know what changed. Give it a moment to send, then return to your calendar view to verify the meeting now appears at the new time. If this is a significant shift, your note in the invite should cover it, and you've done everything needed within Outlook to communicate the change. That's all it takes. Thanks for watching.